Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name Bambang Sukopriyono. We will present our paper with the title The Role of Organizational Culture as Moderating Variable in the Influence of Person-Organization Fit and Job Characteristics on Performance. According to Christoph, Vancouver and Smith, person-organization fit or PO fit is simply defined as fit between organizational values and individual ones. Christoph explained that PO fit occurs when an employee personally has high degree of fit with organizational value and characteristic. According to Christoph et al., there are 4 dimensions of PO fit, such as: first, value congruence; second, goal congruence; third, employee need fulfillment; and fourth, culture personality congruence. According Heckman and Oldham, job characteristics have 5 dimensions, consisting of: first, skill variety, skills needed to complete tasks; second, task identity, employee activities based on comprehension on task procedure and work involvement; third, task significance, the importance of tasks related to dependence of other divisions; fourth, autonomy, authority in making decisions for job completion; and fifth, feedback, response in form of information about our job result. According to Robin and Judge, organizational culture is a value system followed by all employees of an organization, making different characteristics from others. There are 7 dimensions of organizational culture, such as: first, innovation and risk-taking; second, attention on detail; third, result orientation; fourth, human orientation; fifth, group orientation; sixth, aggressiveness; and seventh, stability. The definition of employee performance in this study was developed from the concept of theory of Sonnentag and Frisch. Employee performance is a part of organizational performance, measured based on its quantity and quality according to responsibility given individually. There are 5 dimensions of employee performance, such as: first, work quality; second, work quantity; third, cooperation; fifth, responsibility; and fifth, initiative. Research model in this study: hypothesis 1, PO fit positively influence employee performance. 2, job characteristic positively influence employee performance. Hypothesis 3, organizational culture is moderating variable for the influence of PO fit on employee performance. Hypothesis 4, organizational culture moderating variable of job characteristics on employee performance. In this study, the questionnaire is distributed to 140 respondents and 166 of them are written and proceeded. From the written, 83.1% is male and 16.9% is female. Based on age, most of the respondents are over 43 years old, 66.9%. Based on education background, most of them are senior high school graduate, 76.5%, and the rest, 23.5%, are from diploma, bachelor degree, and magister. Based on job tenure, most of them have been working for over 15 years. The result of validity and reliability tests in the study. The validity test results show that all indicators in the variable are valid with KMO values greater than 0.5 and loading factors values greater than 0.4. The reliability tests also show that all variables in this study have Cronbach's alpha values greater than 0.7, which means that all variables are reliable. This study used 3 equations to prove 4 hypotheses with model regression. The table regression analysis shows that on equation 1, hypothesis 1 and hypothesis 2 accepted. Result and discussion. Based on data analysis on hypothesis 1 and 2, it is concluded that PO fit and job characteristics significantly positively influence employee performance in government institutions. Based on data analysis on hypothesis 3 and 4, it is concluded that organizational culture is strengthening moderating variable in the influence of PO fit on performance and in the influence of job characteristics on employee performance. PO fit is fit between organizational value and individual values. The higher level of fit between organizational value and individual value stimulates better employee performance. This finding supports the previous study concluded by Maria and Juniawan, 2016, that there is significant positive relation between PO fit and employee performance. This study has also shown that job characteristics significantly positively influences employee performance. Heckman and Oldham explain that job characteristics consist of 5 dimensions such as autonomy, job variety, job identity, job significance, and feedback. Job characteristic is the typically task and responsibility as the core of its position regularly done by employee. Employees' fondness and job characteristics is able to raise his confidence and working and improve performance. Based on the result of this study, organizational culture is able to be moderating variable in the influence of PO fit and job characteristics on employee performance. Therefore, it is suggested for the future study to use organizational culture as moderating variable in the influence of other variables besides PO fit and job characteristic on performance, like empowerment, social capital, servant leadership, job involvement, and employee engagement. That's all our presentation. Thank you for your attention.